Now let's work on this mini projects where we can do some fast lookups using dictionaries and sets to quickly flag restricted or unknown items in a shopping cart. So here I have a dictionary of catalog that basically contains a number of items. Each of them has an SKU ID. Each SKU defines a product with its name and its price. Then we have a set of restricted items. These could be things that are back ordered or things that are age restricted. And then here I'm going to go ahead and create my cart. I have a 12. I have B55. Maybe I have it twice. We have C77. And then we have another A12. And finally, Z99. Now, first of all, before we can check if all of these items are, restricted or unknown or invalid, we have to convert this into a unique cart first, basically removing all the duplicates. So the easiest way we could do this is by using sets. So I'll do unique cart equals set, where this will receive the cart. If we print it out, unique cart equals the following. So these are the only non-duplicative items in our cart. Okay. Next thing we need to do is basically flag or create a dictionary of flags. So here I'll use dictionary comprehensions. So what I'll do here is equal, and I'm gonna do this over multiple lines just so I can make this clear and clean for you to read. So here we're gonna want to put the SKU number or whatever the ID or the identifier of the catalog item is, and the value for the SKU, and I'm going to do this over multiple lines, but basically our loop is going to be for SKU in catalog dot items, or actually we could just do this from the unique cart, that way we didn't have to repeat anything. So loop over all the SKUs that are in the unique cart, and for each one of them, here is what we want you to return. We want you to return unknown if the SKU is not in the catalog keys, or we could just do catalog because again the default is to iterate over the keys. Else we want you to return okay. However, this whole thing needs to be wrapped with another condition that basically says if that SKU was not in the restricted set, otherwise if it is in the restricted, then we want you to return restricted. Now let's see what that looks like. All right, we get back a dictionary that contains all the items in the unique cart, starting with Z99. This was unknown because it does not exist in the catalog. C77, that was okay. It's not restricted, so we're good on that one. A12, also not as restricted, and it's in the cart and it's in the catalog, so we're all good on that one. However, B55, that was restricted, so we were able to basically combine all of this in a fast lookup kind of thing where we deduplicated all the items in the shopping cart. We checked if they exist in another dictionary or in another set, and we returned the following flag. Now pause the video, copy this into your notebook, play around with it, make some changes, make some tweaks, see what else you can do with it. And with that, we wrap up our lectures for sets and dictionaries.